MLGO stock analysis and MLGO stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. And I'm the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made, 42,000. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, but at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not. MLGO specifically, well, I can tell you with certainty that this is just like a bearish ticker. It's just been melting quite a lot, quite like, let's say consistently since April, kind of. I mean, actually this thing kept crashing. First break that I saw was like 11th of April, so it's been like 2 months. And yeah, I mean, needless to say, man, like the likelihood that this thing keeps going down is quite high, right? Unless there's a big catalyst, like I said, or some crazy pump ups above 130, that I'm now observing this market and range and saying, oh, it's bullish. No, actually quite the opposite. So I do have a lot of previous receipts with MLGO here. And yeah, that's all I kind of have to say now with it specifically. And yeah, I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from my training and want to stay tuned with MLGO, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.